A new code uses a hidden rule. Here are 3 examples. 1, circle 2 equals 10. 2, circle 1 equals 9. 2, circle 3 equals 19. Find x. The expression x circle 2, then circle 1 equals 57. Pause the video. Try it before I show the trick. The rule looks like a times b plus ma plus nb. Find m and n. Assume the rule fits that form. Plug each example in. 2 plus m plus 2n equals 10. 2 plus 2m plus n equals 9. 6 plus 2m plus 3n equals 19. Solving these together, m equals 2, n equals 3. So the rule is a times b plus 2a plus 3b. Now the target. Start with the inner part, x circle 2. That's 2x plus 2x plus 6. Simplify, 4x plus 6. Now plug it back. The outer is 4x plus 6, circle 1. Apply the rule. 4x plus 6 plus twice 4x plus 6 plus 3. That works out to 12x plus 21. Set it equal to 57. 12x equals 36. Divide by 12, x is 3. This is the decode and chain rule. Same decode move as before. 3 examples reveal the constants. The new twist is the rule has a times b inside. Same recipe. Decode, substitute, compute. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.